Hi everyone, if you want to be a smarter trader, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna explain the rest of features and options of the strategy and show you how each of these options work for us in the strategy and how to use them. To give me energy and to support my channel for creating a powerful trading community, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. If you want to use my VIP strategies or my other advanced strategies, or if you want me to code your own strategy, contact me in my Telegram. The link of my Telegram is in description below this video. I have explained several options of the strategies for you in my previous videos. Now in this video, I'm gonna explain different types of stop placement in the strategies. I put different types of stops in my strategies. The first type of a stop that I'm gonna explain is ATR stop. It works like this. Whenever the strategy wants to enter a position in each of these points, it must calculate the ATR of the candle. The settings of candles ATR calculations are considered in this section for you. So you are able to choose different settings for the ATR calculations. And when you decide to have a ATR stop, you can put ATR length in your settings. And also you can select each of ATR calculation types. And finally, you choose the ATR types. Normal ATR is only ATR of this time frame that we are already in, but the MT ATR is multi-time frame ATR, and it uses multi-time frames to calculate the ATR of candles. You can choose each types of these ATRs and use it to take positions. When you adjust the ATR settings and ATR calculations here, if you choose the ATR stop for your stop loss placement, this section relates to your ATR stop settings. Only this section. When you activated the ATR stop, this part is your settings for this stop type. How much do you consider for your stop loss placement? It's up to you. For example, choose 3 ATR and you see in the chart that this length increases. Or you can choose 1 ATR for your stop loss. The adjustment of ATR amount for stop loss is up to you. You can also choose risk to reward ratio here. It means that whatever your stop amount is, your take profit is 2.5 times of your stop. You can also change this number to whatever you want. Now I choose 2 ATR for stop loss, and I choose 2 for risk to reward ratio. So the first option we talked about was ATR stop. And now I'm gonna explain move stop. Move stop means that the stop moves along with the price. The settings related to the move stop is in this section, this part here. So when you choose move stop, you see the move stop settings only here. The other options such as ATR stop loss or lowest low stop loss doesn't work here. Okay, this number shows the first point that we choose to place our stop loss, and it shows our first point to put the stop loss when we enter position. For example, 2 ATR. Alright, this option is for choosing different sources to calculate the ATR distance for long or short. For example, you can choose for long to use candles lows to calculate ATR distance. Or for short, you can pick high, and using these options, you can move with the price. It's up to you to choose 2 or 3 ATR for this part, and it depends on your decision to choose this amount. And you can see by changing this to 3 ATR, in the chart we have some changes, in all the ATR calculations for move stop, and the stop starts to follow the price. Using this feature, you can identify and track major market movements. Now in this position, you can see that the position starts from here, and during this movement, it comes here and stops. Move stop can bring you big profits. In this position, you get 13% profit in 3 days. You can hunt big profits using move stop. The next option we have in move stop setting is this one. We can tick active take profit and choose a risk to reward amount for that. You can choose each number you like for risk to reward ratio. Then our position takes profit somewhere that hits the target using move stop. These settings belongs to move stop, which you can easily use them and apply them to the strategy. The next option that I'm gonna explain is the last recently swing low and last recently swing high for our stop calculation. All the settings related to this type of stop is in this section. It means that when you choose this lowest low, highest high here, this part is useless now. Also, this part is not gonna work either. And all the settings for this section is only in this part. So you can adjust the settings using these options here. In this second option here, this 5 says we should choose the lowest low of 5 previous candles as our stop loss here. You can also change this number to smaller or bigger numbers. For example, 10. To search 10 previous candles to find the lowest low or highest high in those 10 candles to place the stop for long or short positions. In this part of the chart, you can easily see that the stop is considered on last recently swing high. After you choose this number, you can also choose risk to reward amount. It means whatever the amount of your stop is, consider 2 times more than that as your profit. Okay, our next stop type is percentage stop. And when you choose this stop, the settings related to percentage stop is only in this section. And the other part of this section is useless now. And we have all the settings here. Long take profit and long stop loss. They are all based on percentage, and you can change these numbers and choose your stop loss and take profit amounts. We chose 3% for take profit, which now you see we have exactly 3% as take profit here. The next type of stop that we have in the strategy is last recent swing low and last recent swing high along with move stop. It means that in this part, I considered a combination of these two stop loss types for you with take profit. It means the stop moves along with the price in this part as well. The difference between this type of stop and previous last recent swing low and high is that in the simple lowest low highest high, we don't have move stop. But in this one, we have stop movement from the beginning to the end of the position. The next point is how many percentage of an ATR must be the distance between our last recent swing low and our stop loss. We can increase this number in order to avoid stop hunting. It means that it put the stop loss 25% of ATR lower than our last recently swing low. Okay, you see here we have stop loss on 25% of ATR lower than last recent swing low. You can also choose bigger numbers for this distance. Now here we have 50% of ATR distance with this low. Well, the final type of stop is none. It means not having any stops. When you have no stop, we enter the position whenever the opposite direction of the positions happen. It only takes opposite positions and it doesn't have any other conditions to exit the position. This was our different types of stop loss that exists in all of our strategies. If you want to have this strategy or my other strategies, or if you have your own strategy and want me to code your own strategy for you, contact me in my Telegram, and the link of my Telegram is in description below all my videos. Have a good time!